Living in the Sunshine State means good air conditioning is always needed, especially here in the summer. And to make sure that your AC is running properly year-round, the team at Heatwave Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing wants to keep your unit clean. Here to tell us more is President Dan Billingsley. Dan, thanks for being here with us
Thanks
today.
for having me.
I know you've got to be slammed and busy right now, huh?
Very busy.
Yeah, now that we are in like that dead heat of summer, it's been going on and on. Tell me, why should people take some time right now to get their AC unit checked?
Well, right now your AC has been running hard for several months. You know, it's been pretty hot outside. It's kind of equivalent to like maybe driving your car across country. You'd want to get the oil change, you want to get it checked out. It's the same thing. If your AC has been running hard for the last several months, you don't know what kind of parts are wearing out. It's probably getting pretty dirty. It's time to get it kind of cleaned up and make sure it's good for the next several months.
Yeah, we need it to keep going for us.
Yeah.
What are some signs that homeowners may notice that, hey, this is not going in the right direction with my AC?
Maybe like the temperature just isn't maintained in your house properly. You think your air conditioner never shuts off. You know, if you say you set it at 75 and it seems like it's 76, 77 in the heat of the day, it's time for a good checkup.
Okay, how often should we have it checked? Is there a certain level of routine maintenance that we should know about?
Yeah, every manufacturer recommends every 6 months, so twice a year. It doesn't matter what time of the year you do it, as long as you kind of get it done like every 6 months and keep it clean, and it'll keep running strong for you.
And also, filters are important, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me the importance of doing just some of the basic stuff?
The basic stuff, like you said, is your filtration. You need to change your filter every 3 months, depending on how much your air conditioner runs. That keeps the dirt from being sucked into your air conditioner. Also help keep your house clean.
Okay, so tell to me about the services that you all provide. How much is an inspection?
An AC inspection to come out and go through your AC with a fine-tooth comb. We do a 58-point inspection. That right now is $69.
Okay, what are some of the common things that you all will find in an inspection that homeowners may be surprised to hear?
A lot of times the drains get clogged, they get full of slime. Your filter sometimes maybe didn't get changed, or it's leaking by and your air conditioner sucks up a lot of dust into it. The outdoor unit's running, your lawn guy could be blowing dirt and grass into it. That needs to be cleaned up because that'll cause your system to overheat.
Wow. So talk to me about the importance of doing some of these checks and inspections to help the overall life of our AC unit.
So one of the biggest benefits of getting your system maintained properly is so that it doesn't break down on you in the hottest part of the summer that we're in right now. Most of the breakdowns that we see in this period of time are due to lack of maintenance. Just the system's just dirty, and when it gets really dirty, it overheats, causes all sorts of problems.
All right, and so talk to me about some of the service that you all provide, because I like service with a smile, and it's always nice to have kind local people come in. Right?
Yeah, so we do air conditioning service and maintenance and installation. We do plumbing service and installation, water heaters, water conditioners, and then we do duct cleaning and indoor air quality.
All right, one-stop shop.
Yep.
Dan, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank
we
you.
really appreciate it. And if you want to get more information, you can visit heatwavehvac.com. You can also call the number that we have right there on your screen. It's 727-777-6229. Daytime will be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Heatwave Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing.